This is what here percentage worker, number of workers. Number of workers. Okay, this is what number of workers. Okay, and this is what second is village. Okay, villages. A, B, C and D. क्लियर? देखिए क्या हो जाएगा. On y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 50 workers. Okay, on y axis 50 centimeter is equal to 1 workers. Male is how many? Male represented by blank. Okay, female represented by female. This by clear. Okay, now I am making the number of workers. Okay, but in percentage. Okay, clear? Here in the percentage. Okay, here 1 centimeter is equal to, यहाँ पे क्या है, इट इज इन परसेंटेज. ओके, तो 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10% वर्कर्स. यहाँ पे थोड़ा रॉन्ग हो गया, 10% वर्कर्स. क्लियर? बिकॉज एवरीथिंग यू आर गिविंग डेटा इन परसेंटेज. ओके, तो 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10% workers. Clear? Now this is A, तो यहाँ पे देख लीजिए आप, परसेंटेज आल्सो आई एम ड्राइंग. दिस इज 0. ओके, देन 1 centimeter is equal to 10% worker. So here will be what? 10. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Clear? Okay, so I made this percentage. Now you have to draw this. For village A, we have to draw percentage bar graph. So first of all I want to tell you, okay, it is percentage graph, so here should be 100. Okay, the maximum graph of the 100. Okay, so maximum graph that should be of the 100. Okay, clear? Even for the B also graph for every, because 100 is maximum for the percentage. So here will be what? And for D, for village D. Okay, A, B, C and D. I made there for the A, B, C, D all four villages. Okay, 100 के लिए 100, this is the 100. Okay, 10, 20 जैसे ये 100. तो 100 के लिए क्या है? This is for A village, for B village, C and D. Okay, now for A village that is what? 40%. Okay, 40%. तो देखिए क्या हो जाएगा? 40% इज फीमेल्स. ओके, तो 40 इज बॉर्डर एंड 60% आर मेल्स. ओके, तो दिस इज द मेल्स बॉर्डर, दिस इज द फीमेल्स, बिकॉज 40% तक क्या है? दैट इज मेल. मेल को किससे आपने किया है? बाय द ब्लैंक. सो दिस शुड बी ब्लैंक एंड फीमेल इज व्हाट? सॉरी, नंबर ऑफ फीमेल इज व्हाट? दैट इज 40% एंड दैट इज बाय द डॉटेड. तो देखिए 40% ये क्या है? ये 40% तक दिस. सो हियर शुड बी व्हाट? नंबर ऑफ फीमेल्स. ओके, फीमेल बाय शोन बाय दिस डॉटेड लाइन. क्लियर? ओके, and here remaining is the males. Clear? And now I am talking for the males. Okay, for the B village. Okay, for the B village what is there? Okay, for the B village percentage graph, percentage for the of the female is what? 60%. Clear? Okay, and percentage of male is what? 40%. So percentage of female you draw. Percentage of female is what? 40%. Clear? तो 40% का क्या हो जाएगा? For the 40%, percentage of female is 60%. Okay, for the B village. तो देखिए आप 60% कैसे करेंगे? तो दिस इज व्हाट? लाइन ऑफ 40%. 10%, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, so 60% there. So this is there. Clear? And okay, this is the 60% and remaining 40% are males. Clear? Now come to for the C. Okay, for village C, so there is the 30%. Okay, so 30%, 10, 20, 30. Okay, so 30% should be there. Okay, so here is what? 70%. Okay, 70%, that is what? Percentage of males. Okay, now come to D. For village D, village D there is what? 56%. 56. So this is 50%. 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 56%. Clear? So this is number of females percentage is that shown by this 56% graph. Okay, remaining 44% for the males. Clear? So this is the percentage bar graph. Clear? Percentage bar graph, your question, this also being completed. Okay, so now we are going to start next question number 9. Okay, so for that, what is the question number 9 we are going to